Hey friends, welcome back to Blockchainify. Today I'll do a technical analysis for MDT. Let's go! I'm on the monthly chart and I'll do some important lines right here, this one and this one, because I want to have a look at the shorter time frame, and this is going to be resistance and this support. Although I think it's going to take a while to get back here. So for now this is the most relevant line. Now let me go to the weekly chart. Let me do this one here and this one, because that double tweezer right there could provide some significant resistance on the way up. Now let's do this green and we are good to go. Cool. What else do we have going on the daily chart? Let me do this as well. Cool. Looking at the bigger picture, what I see right here, it's this Elliott wave with the first 5 waves, and now it looks like we are in a corrective wave ABC. Of course, this could be invalidated if we get a lower low right here. And after that, usually we get an impulsive wave. And it's possible that this right here could be the first wave of this 5-leg impulsive wave, which could look something like this. Now, this is of course a sketch. Doesn't need to be exactly like this. Of course, one could still go up higher if these candles just keep going like this. We are still in the first wave, right? So that's subject to adjustments, and we can see we have these areas right here, but if it will bounce straight away from here, it's still the first wave, right? Nothing special. But if it goes sideways for some time and after that does something clearer like this, and after that goes more aggressively, then we know that we have the first wave and here the second one, and we are finding ourselves in the third wave. Alright, now let's see some possibilities for this wave right here. If I put this Fibonacci retracement, we see that this line is close to this 0.618, which is very important in this case. But I think more often than not, the 0.5 level actually it's enough as bounce for the wave number 2 and as the end of wave number 2 and starting wave number 3. Now, of course, I still need much more data here to pinpoint this, but you cannot do anything else than picture some scenarios and adjust them according to the price action. Of course, you cannot predict if the price will go up or down, but it does not matter if the price is going upward or downwards, you will still have these resistance levels. So that's what is the most important thing to remember here. Now let's see what happens if I do this Fibonacci extension. We can see this 0.236 level right here, which could also be a bouncing point for the second wave, which is pretty close to this resistance as well. Now, to try to identify some possible targets for the wave number 3, let's assume that this is the end of wave number 1 and we get wave 2 around here. In that case, the target could be somewhere between here, so in this area. The level 1 could be an option, 1.23 or 1.6. This line right here fits also the golden pocket area, so it's going to be a tough resistance to break. Either it's going to be maybe the end of the wave 3 or have something like this, right? Because wave 3 could also end close to 0.5 as well. Now let's see, in case I want to buy more MDT. Like I said, for me this could be decent areas to accumulate more, and of course this is not financial advice. We can see also, if this is not a bounce back and we are not in an impulsive wave right here, this could also be the A of the ABC wave, and that would mean something like this, and the C could be lower, and some targets for that C could be provided by this Fibonacci extension, and we can see a possible one at this level right here. Let's make this green since it's support. But of course, first one, it's right here, still close to this. We have between 0.60 and 0.67. Yeah, very close, but it would not be bad to just split the orders. Let's say if I want to buy of 100 bucks, I would just split $100 in 4 orders and have $25 at each level, for example, if I'd like to do that. Then if this won't hold, the next target should be around here. Now let's combine this with a Fibonacci retracement right here, and we can see that this level coincides pretty nicely with other levels right here, 0.88 I think. But if we are not in a bear market, then this level right here could be quite extreme, but it's still the next one in line if these levels right here are falling. And Upper targets, this level right here, should be touched at some point in the next bull run, if this project will still be around. Sorry for the skepticism. I think we are still far away from this. We will need Bitcoin to make new all-time highs for this to happen, of course. Yes, so this would be the key levels I would follow closely for MDT. Thanks for watching, liking, commenting and subscribing, and see you next time.